What up, guys? BigBoxBreak.ecurry.com. Break number 167 is filled. So you bought a spot on my site. You're entered to win a free spot. Or actually, you're entered into my Austin Matthews 8x10 giveaway. Everybody in this will be entered into my next box break. So it's probably going to be a spot in Premier. So let's get to it. 3 times. Okay. And now, people in the break. 3 times as well. Copy. Paste. Make this a little smaller. And like all my breaks, I do put this in the description below. So Capitals go to S. Mallard. Islanders is PSC Shop. Hurricanes Quest. Blues is Bert Ben. Wings is Andrew. Flames is Montour. Flyers is Patrick Marr. Sharks is Patrick Marr. Tampa's Beller Dominic. Kings is PSC Shop. Brett, you got the Avs. Guide for you, the Buffalo Sabres. Florida is Bratskers. Zoom in a little bit more here. Guide for you, the Sabres. Florida is Breaksers. Hawks is NHL Canada. Ducks is Dave Solani. Devils is Belro 95. Oilers is Nat Massey. Canucks is S. Mallard. Wild is Reese D. Rangers is Montreal. Stars is Brett. Canadiens is Dave Solani. Penguins is Thomas. Leafs is Kelligan. Ottawa is Chirpin Lupin. Columbus is Tomic Cull 78. Bruins is PSC Shop. Predators is Brett Bernard. Winnipeg Jets is W. And Phoenix is Max Jock. So, I'll put this in the description below and off to the spot to do the box. Okay. Here's our premiere. This is the next break. Artifacts. Here I got sleeves. Let's hope we get a patch. Sick auto. Empty. Okay, pack 1. Base. 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 Avalanche Rookie Redemption. Scratch off. And decoy. Red, something red. Base. Matt Murray. Base. And nice. Patrick Waugh. These are out of what? $2.99. Decoy. Patrick Waugh. Short prints. Montreal. die cut of some sort. Cool. Base. Base. Decoy. And oh, it's not die cut. It's just a rookie out of 99 for the Avalanche again. Tyson Yost. This is the copper variant. Rookie out of 99. Nice hit. We got our Asium or Arium. Base. Base. And Jake Gustastels. Arium. Scratch off. Don't understand. Pittsburgh Penguins. Okay. 4 left. Base. Base. Decoy. And artifacts. Brian Rust for the Penguins. Nice looking autos. Penguins auto. Brian Rust, right? This Penguins. Penguins. Base. Base. We got 2 hits in this pack. Oh, another auto too. Nice. Paul Coffey out of 5.99. And for the Sabres, Justin Falk. Artifact or Autofacts. Never had a Artifacts pack box with 2 autos in it. Pretty good. More hits the better. So I wonder if we're gonna get stiffed a hit. We got 2 in that pack. Base. 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 Alex Tooch. And this is out of 999. So we haven't had any memorabilia yet. This looks like it could be it. Not a patch, but base. Oh, nice. Wild. Dungeon Tantrums. Nino Niederreiter and Eric Stahl. Dual Jers. I like how they changed them to upright. I hate diagonal cards. So that was our box. So off to the spot to random. A free spot in preview here. Coffee. Short print. Wah. Scratch off redemption. Dual auto. Or 2 autos, I mean. In this one I looked again. 55 out of 55. So that's a good one. So, I'll do the random for the free spot 3 more times. 2, and 3. Menard. And that's it, pretty much. So, sorry guys. Check out my site, bigboxbreaks.ecrater.com. I do have the cup up. It did come out today. There we go. So we got this. Gotta adjust the price here. But yeah, and everybody that was in this break, since it took so long, we will be putting you in that Austin Matthews 8x10 giveaway. So we'll be giving that away after the cup break. So check out bigboxbreaks.ecrater.com. Thanks. And thanks a lot, guys.